Wesley.
New bridge, I hope it holds. Caution, overhead hazard. Oh, you can drive on this now. That's cool how they got that set up.
Oh yeah.
One is nice out.
Thank you.
Yep.
Love you.
Love you too. Oh, that's kids playing on the radio. Walkie-talkies. Same frequencies I'm licensed for are free on walkie-talkies. They just don't have as much power as I have on mine. So, you know, let them play. It's free. Free airways, let the kids play on the radio. They ain't hurting nobody. Ain't nobody on it anyway here in town but me. So, might as well use it. Now we're going back downtown on this crappy Albion rainy day.